In this video, I'm gonna show how to use the functions DIR, type, and help. So I've got a simple Netmiko script, and I'm just going to copy and paste this script into the Python interpreter so that we can use these functions. Okay, so if you want to know about how this script works, I do have a video about this, but just to explain a bit, what I'm doing here is I'm just importing the Netmiko library, and I mean importing the ConnectHandler class from the Netmiko library, and I'm just creating a dictionary here called Cisco device. This is to represent the Cisco device in this case, and I'm using ConnectHandler to connect to the device, and I'm just basically storing this connection object or ConnectHandler object into a object called connection, and here I'm just calling the the find method and stripping the trailing or leading character that looks like this. I'm actually going to use this character as well, and I'm also using the send command method to send a command called show clock, and I'm disconnecting I'm disconnecting from the device. So let me just go ahead and copy and paste this code and also the dictionary. So here, like I said, I'm calling the ConnectHandler method and storing that connection into this object called connection. So this is where we can use the DIR type. Okay, so it looks like it failed. Okay, let me just check something here. Connection lag and failed. Okay, let me do it again. Okay, now it works. Now we can use the DIR method to list all the attributes and methods of this object called connection. So that's what I'm gonna do. So if I enter this command, you will see all the methods associated with this object. So I'm using find prompt, the methods find prompt, and send commands. So these two, and actually disconnect as well, should be in this list. So find prompt, that should be somewhere. I think this is find prompt here. This is organized alphabetically. And send command, that would be this. And disconnect should be this. So that's how you can use the DIR method. So again, you can use it to list all the attributes and methods of an object. And let's talk about the type. So type, this is something that you can use if you wanna know the type or class of an object. So let me type this command, connection. So it says this is a class, but if I use this type function, and I think I need to enter this first. Yeah. So if I use the type function to determine the type of an object, so in this case, I'm passing in the host name. It says it's a string object. Okay, so actually let me do this as well. And type output. this should be a string as well. Yeah, so that's how you can use the function, the type function. Last but not least, let's talk about the help function. So the help function is something that you can use to, if you want to see the detailed documentation of an object. So what I can do is actually, let's try this. So help output. Actually, yeah, we have to use this. So help. Okay, now we see the detailed documentation of an object, which is in this case connection. And yeah, this is how you use the command method. Okay, and you can also do this command, find prompts. Now we see how to use the find prompt. Okay, so that's all I want to discuss in this video. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.